Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Burma. On the menu is Burmese beef curry with potatoes. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The goodies to marinate the beef. The beef coated in spices. And in the cold box for several hours. Evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in a saute pan. I add the red onion and saute. I add the ginger, the garlic, and the hot pepper. And then I add the beef and saute some more to brown. Then I add all the spices. And then I add the water and mix together. Bring to a boil. And then it simmers for about an hour and a half. Here it is after simmering for an hour and a half. I add the potatoes. I add some water and stir it together. And then it simmers for about another 15 minutes. And then after that, I add a touch of heavy cream. And here's the final dish. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.